welcome back to my channel. In today's video we will be doing a eyebrow tutorial. This is an update for the new year, so let's get straight into the video. The first thing I'm going to use is my spoolie and my eyebrow pencil together. It's Nickack New York, and this is in the color dark brown. And what I like to do is, please excuse all this stuff on my face. I'm trying to get cleared up. Please excuse it. But what I like to do is I like to use my spoolie, and then I like to brush upward. Brush upward. It's not that sharpened, but it's gonna get me somewhere. And then I'm gonna start from the tail, and I'm gonna kind of like fill in my brow. As you're filling in your brow, you want to go like from the bottom of your brow and kind of fill in towards the end, and then you go in and fill in, and you just go by the shape of your brows. And I know some people don't have any brows, but you're gonna have to make some brows or whatever. But yeah, this is how I do my brows. So once you kind of got that filled in like that, you want to take your spoolie and you want to brush and I'm going to do the other side the same way. I'm going to brush upward, and then you want to go under and fill in from the tail. And just keep on filling in. Just keep on filling. And I know some people, they say, oh, don't, you know, fill in too much in the front. Yeah, you don't want to do that, because then you could just use the spoolie to kind of brush all that and kind of like fill it in more. And now it just, you know, we could literally go out like this, so like we look cute. So now what I like to do is I like to use my Morphe M224. I'm going to use my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Toffee. Okay, so once I have that, sorry if I'm looking down, I'm looking at my mirror. So you just start, I kind of start from like the middle kind of, and kind of get everything lined up. Look at that. You got, look, you see that? You see that, sis? Okay. Now just continue, get that straightened out. Woo! Look at that. Girl, nobody finna be stunting you after this. And then what I like to do is I like to take my e.l.f. Fluffy Eye blender brush. And what I like to do is I just like to tap like this, just to blend it out. Just tap. I just don't want this to get, I don't know, dry. Just tap and like bring it down. Okay, so now we're about to do the other side. And we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna start like from the middle. Boom. Continue. It's kind of hard to like explain what to do. It's like you gotta watch this stuff. Like, you gotta watch. So once you have that lined up, you're gonna use your brush again, and you're gonna do the same thing. You're gonna bring that concealer down and just like tap. Alright, so once that's blended out, now we're gonna do the top. Don't do the top. Some people are scared to do the top. It's okay. You can always go over with foundation, with your foundation color, or you don't even have to use the same concealer. You can use a foundation to, you know, do the top. So when you do the top, I'm gonna try to like look, and maybe I should look this way. When you do the top, be careful. Simple. Boom. There you go. And then you want to do the same thing with you want to do the same thing like you did for the bottom. You want to tap and bring it upward, or just tap. There you go, y'all. Look at that. Beautiful. Look at that. Some beautiful eyebrows. These look like some, these are like the natural brows. Boom. Look at that. She's amazing. Now let's do the other side. I gotta hurry up before this is so hard for me when I do the other side. It's so hard. I can't really like. Okay, for the other side, you're gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna make that my new thing now. Okay. Sometimes your brows, both of your brows, they not gonna be like twins. Sometimes they gonna be twins. Sometimes they gonna be cousins. Sometimes it's gonna be an aunt and a niece. You just gotta do what you gotta do. Okay? You just gotta do what you gotta do. If them things looking cute, baby, and you go around and people saying, good damn, baby, who did your brows? Be like, me, sis. All me. All day, it's me. It's me. It's me. Cause look, them brows, they cute and all, but they ain't gotta be oh shoot. Look like I did them the same now. Okay, you see, I just made a mistake. I kind of made my, I don't know, they don't look the same to me. So you see, because I was just doing all that talking, but I'm over here, you feel me? I'm over here, I was just doing all that talking about how the brows, they ain't always gonna be sisters, and they ain't always gonna be cousins. But look, we got this under control. So, baby, sis is looking cute. Oh my gosh. So look, that's all you have to do. Then you go back with that same brush and just tap, baby. Just tap. Just tap, just tap, just tap, just tap. Uh-oh, my baby edge is flying around. Look, and that's just, and let me tell y'all something. And let me tell y'all something. Every day, my brows change. I can never do them like the same every time. You want to take your spoolie and you want to just brush like just brush them just to make sure they okay. You gotta, you know, you gotta tuck them brows to bed. Like, you gotta make sure them babies ain't going nowhere. I like to just brush upward and see what I'm working with, and just kind of like play with them a little bit, just to make them look, you know, cute. You done? And you look at yourself, you looking like, help. Like, nobody can, sis, nobody can never tell you nothing. So, last but not least, eyebrow gel, if I can find it. So, get your eyebrow gel. Now, let me tell y'all something about eyebrow gel. Baby, you get you some eyebrow gel, baby, them brows, I'm talking about, boom, will never go away. So, what you want to do is, you want to take some eyebrow gel, whatever, and you just kind of want to brush upward. Act like you putting mascara, girl. Act like you putting on mascara. And brush them things into place. Like that, simple. Simple, 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 babes, simple. Simple, and you done. And you done. Just like clean up a bit, because I know it's like you can see the concealer. Y'all see this Kalili hair? Like, baby. Guys, I'm on the road to 50 subs, so let your friends know about me. My name is Nene. I'm funny, I'm cute, and I'm crazy. I'm just playing. I'm on the road to 50 subscribers. So I need y'all to start pressing them buttons like right away. Like, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.